Welcome to Jira Essentials, a beginner's introduction to Atlassian Jira by Avant Systems Group. This beginner training video highlights Jira's capabilities as a work management tool for teams and how it helps people and organizations to deliver work. This is the third and final video in this course. In this video, we'll cover the best ways you can make Jira work for you. What's the biggest difference between pro and novice Jira users? How often they use it, of course. Novice users aren't consistent. They rarely check Jira and don't keep issues up to date. This inconsistency creates confusion and frustration for you and your teammates. Pro users make Jira part of their daily routine. They have a habit of checking and updating Jira continuously each day. These pros realize Jira consistently helps them be more productive, organized, and collaborative. A higher performing team member overall. Let's look at some easy ways to build your Jira habit. Number 1, make Jira easy for you to access. No need to log in and out, stay logged in, and keep the tab open in your browser all the time. Some browsers support the use of tab groups. You can assign Jira and other Atlassian products to one of these to isolate them from the rest of your browser tabs so they're always easy to find. Number 2, start your workday with Jira. For many people, the most consistent routines start at the beginning of the day. Many of us check email and browse our calendars while sipping our morning cup of coffee. This is a perfect time to add Jira to the routine. After browsing your calendar, open Jira. In less than 60 seconds, you can see all your work tasks to help prioritize your day. After a few weeks of doing this, you'll be more focused and organized than ever before. Number 3, be a Jira rockstar on your team. Jira works best if your entire team is managing their work with it every day. Advocating for Jira's consistent use will help everyone get on board and make it easier to manage your own work there too. Number 4, Jira becomes easier to use if it's set up exactly how you'd like, and there are a variety of features that you can customize. You can adjust personal settings, set notification frequencies, create custom work views, connect Jira to other tools, and much more. Let's continue on to learn how your team can connect Jira with other tools to manage projects. Slack, Microsoft, Google, and thousands more. Jira can integrate with more than 3,000 different tools to help improve your productivity and efficiency. Let's cover some of the most popular integrations to optimize your Jira experience. The easiest tool to connect with Jira is Atlassian Confluence. Confluence is a remote-friendly workspace to help your team build pages and manage information in a collaborative, wiki-like way. Connecting Jira and Confluence creates one place for your team to build, organize, and collaborate on work. If your team isn't using Confluence yet, it's worth a try. It'll make a world of difference to help manage your projects, and you can even try it for free. Connecting Jira with Slack gives you real-time insight into your projects. This integration helps you and your team be aware of any issue changes the second they occur. Instead of email notifications, this integration sends you Slack notifications when issues are created or updated, allowing teams to discuss whatever's going on in real time. If your team is already using Slack, the Jira add-on is an easy way to keep your work organized and in sync. Instead of jumping around between calendars, Jira integrates with Zoom for scheduling video meetings directly from any issue. Everyone watching that issue will be automatically added to the invite, and meeting links and details will be added to the issue comments. Record a video meeting, and the file and transcript will also be in the Jira comments. If your team is already using Zoom, this Jira add-on is a helpful way to connect your work tasks with face-to-face communications. We've reached the end of this course. If you've been following along through all the videos in this series, congratulations! We've covered several important Jira basics, including what Jira is, what it does, and what makes it an awesome work management tool, basic Jira navigation and how to work with Jira issues, and how to build good habits around Jira and how you can optimize it to suit the way you and your team like to work. Thanks for watching. Avant Systems Group is a dedicated Atlassian solution partner. We sell, support, and configure Atlassian products for companies of all sizes and provide agile team training. This concludes the final video in this series. Check out our other Atlassian tutorials and content, or reach out to us with questions on our website at avant.ca.